Now we're going to talk about page layout planning, one of the most important steps in creating a clear, usable website. Page layout planning is about deciding where content lives on a page so that users can understand it quickly and move through it easily. This is where your ideas start turning into structure, and this is why wireframes matter. They're where these layout decisions get tested first, before you design or build anything. Page layout planning is the process of deciding where content goes on a web page before you design or build it. This is about structure and organization, not colors, fonts, or decoration. In plain language, page layout planning means figuring out what goes where so users can understand the page quickly and easily. When you plan a page layout, you're actually deciding what information is most important, what users should see first, how content is grouped together, and how the page flows as someone scrolls. All of this usually happens during the wireframing stage. What page layout planning is not. It's not visual design. It's not choosing fonts or colors. It's not making things look cool. A good way to remember this is layout is about clarity. Design is about style. If you're thinking about colors, you're already past this step. Here's why page layout planning matters so much. Without layout planning, pages feel cluttered, important content's buried, and users get confused or leave. But with layout planning, content feels organized, users know where to look, and pages are easier to scan and use. Good layout planning makes a page feel intentional instead of random. The main goals of page layout planning are to create clear hierarchy, support natural reading patterns, group related content, use space intentionally, and guide the user through the page. Every layout choice should help the user understand what matters and what to do next. Page layout planning isn't about drawing empty boxes just to fill space. It's about planning a page around content and purpose. At its core, page layout planning is the process of organizing content on a page in order to guide users through information clearly and effectively. If your layout makes sense, your design has a much stronger foundation. In this example, you can see that we start with a giant hero image. There's no clear headline, and then there's just scattered generic boxes. The content feels random and cluttered. In this second instance, the headline clearly explains what the site is about. The purpose is described up front, and specific helpful features are offered right away. Content flows naturally. As you can see, the layout makes sense. This allows us to have a much stronger foundation for our design.